For the last time, we would like to request your silence as the wedding program ceremony is about to start. And at this part of the program, we would like to welcome your wedding entourage for this afternoon. The wedding will be officiated by our dearest Judge, Maria Christine Isabel Zaid Falguera. Let's also welcome the entrance of our groom, Mr. Carl Jasper Estrella, together with his parents, Mr. Richard Estrella and Miss Marian Barana. Let's welcome our principal sponsors, Miss Lordy Bess and Mr. Eras Bess. Let's welcome Mr. Don Sanchez and Miss Hannah Velasco. Let's also welcome Mr. Robert Barleta and Miss Alona A. Pincho. Let's also welcome Mr. Vladimir Galingasan and Miss Victorina Ramirez. Let's also welcome the parents of our lovely bride, Mr. Adonis Abril and Ms. Juanen Calinasan Abril. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all rise for the grand entrance of our lovely bride for this afternoon, Mrs. Aubrey Antoinette Calinasan Estrella.
Ang pagpapakasal ni Carl Jasper Maranic Estrella at Aubrey Antoinette Calinasan. Marriage is always a special event. As defined in our family code, it is a permanent union between a man and a woman entered into in accordance with law for the
Ayan yung lalaki. Saan? Sa Central?
Tanggapin mo ang singsing na ito, naganda at
Tapos sa LC sila naman ang
maganda at puso ng pagmamahal sa
pwede na section.
Ayan. Okay, so nailagay nyo na ang singsing sa isa't isa. At ang susunod ay ang pagsasabi ninyo ng inyong mga marriage vows. Dahil ang request po sa akin, nung nakausap po si Jasper at si Aubrey, ay sila daw po ang gagawa ng kanilang marriage vows. Kaya ito na yung nakataon para sabihin nito sa isa't isa. Aubrey, ano po yung personal na mensahe para kay Jasper?
Lagi naman ako nandito. Alam ko naman na yun. Masabihin ko na lang sa iyo yung pinagkakalimutan.
Tapos si Jasper.
Oh, yeah.
Ano raw?
Alam niyo ba na kahit napakasimple lang, pero napakamakabuluhan ng sinabi niyo sa isa't isa. Dahil sinabi mo nga sa inyo, during our judicial interview, that the only reason why two persons should get married is because of their love for each other. So ngayon, Jasper and Aubrey, handa niyo nang basahin ang inyong sumpah. So, babasahin niyo na isa. The responsibility of keeping your marriage happy and alive lies with you, and not only on one another. You must now work together to make your marriage happy. Marriages are not made in heaven. They are made on earth by men and women who strive earnestly to be faithful to their marriage promises. And as I can see around me, you have a lot of support. So sa mga saksi mo nandito ngayong hapon ito, nandito po tayo, hindi lamang upang maging saksi, pero magbigay advice, support sa ating couple, sa mga punto na
Kuya ko tahimik. Tahimik ako.
at ngayon, dahil Jasper at Aubrey, ngayon kayo wala ng kasama. And now, congratulations again. And by the authority given to me by the government of the Republic of the Philippines, with everybody here as witnesses, I now declare Carl Jasper Malalim Estrella and Aubrey Antoinette Almasan as a married couple. Congratulations, Jasper. And now, of course, hindi natin makakalimutan that because they have to show that they really truly love each other. They have to give us evidence. So, just